Are you spending too much time creating and scheduling LinkedIn posts, but you're not getting the result you want? What if I tell you that you can use AI and create an AI system to automate your LinkedIn content that drives engagement, grows your network, and saves you time and money? It can even be trained to write content in your tone of voice and style. In this video, I will exactly show you how to do that. Additionally, I will cover how to use AI effectively within your everyday tasks. Implementing AI is not just about the technology adoption, it's about integrating it with your goals and workflows. Hi, my name is Saeed, the founder of Uniqly AI. We specialize in AI automation and AI custom solutions. Our current focus is on developing AI solutions that optimize workflow, eliminate repetitive tasks, lower costs, and increase profit. If you are looking to implement fully customized AI solution for your business, feel free to schedule a call using the link in the description below, and we can discuss how AI can be seamlessly integrated into your business. So let's right jump into the video. We're going to use a tool called Perplexity, a competitor to OpenAI and Cloud. Perplexity excels because it can access the web and return real-time information. Unlike OpenAI and Cloud, which have data cutoffs and lack the latest information, Perplexity offers up-to-date content. So first thing first, we have to create a Google Sheet where we will put the URLs to articles from which we will summarize them, and we will set up a trigger to use those URLs. Like for example, we can set it as every day or every other day. And then it will summarize the article and then create a new LinkedIn post. So we can just write article link, and then we paste the URL here. And then we will go back to our make.com and we create a new scenario, and we will click the plus button, search for Google Sheets, and use this one, watch new rows. First thing, go ahead and connect your make.com with your Google Sheets account. Just simply click add and sign up with your Google account, and then search by path, choose your drive, and click here to choose the spreadsheet that we created earlier, LinkedIn automation, and the sheet name is sheet 1, and because it's sheet 1, and then just table contents header, yes, rows A to Z, yes, and limit it's 1 because we want to only create article 1 at a time, so 1 article at a time. Just hit OK. So now we have to create the Perplexity model. Simply click the plus button here and search for Perplexity AI and choose the create a chat completion. Okay. And again, first thing, you have to connect make.com with your Perplexity account. Simply go ahead and add. And first thing, go back to your perplexity.ai/settings/API and search for the gear button here at the bottom. And here you can see API keys. So first thing, you have to buy some credits to use the API. And after you do that, simply generate an API key and copy it and go back to make.com in your scenario and paste the API key here and save. Then you can choose the model from here. I think the best thing for now is use the Llama 3 Sonar at the moment. And max token, you can leave it actually as it is. So max token is how long you want the content to be. Usually I use 1500, and the temperature is the how to be creative. So the more temperature you put, for example 7, it will be more creative, and if you put 3, for example, it will be less creative. And just before we move on, if you learned anything new or got any value out of this video so far, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, because this helps me to create even more content like this for you guys. Here in the messages, we add item, and for the role, we choose user, and for the content, we have to give it a prompt. So we say summarize this article, and this is the link from the Google Sheet we created earlier. So article links. So this is the this one we created earlier, and that's the prompt. So we are saying that summarize this article from the Google Sheet from the previous, and that's it. We click OK. So next, we need a module that will actually take the summarized article and create a post for the LinkedIn. So we will again click the plus button, and we will search for OpenAI, and we will use create a completion. And again, go ahead and connect your make.com with your OpenAI account. Simply again add, and then for the API keys, go to platform.openai.com/API keys and choose here on the left API keys, and on the right side you can see here create new secret key, and simply copy it and paste it here. For the organization ID, click the gear button on the top right, and then go to on the left, go to the general, and you can see your organization ID here. Just simply copy it and go back to your make.com and paste it and click save. So for the model, we will choose 3.5 turbo, and here in the messages, we will select the role again, user, and for the message content, I have prepared a prompt. So imagine yourself as a specialist in the field and compose a LinkedIn update discussion discussing significant aspect of a recent news piece concerning artificial intelligence. Your post should offer truthfully analysis aligned with ongoing trends in the industry and prompt professional interaction and dialogue. Emphasize any noteworthy consequences for the sector. LinkedIn allows for comprehensive updates, so ensure your content is informative and well organized. Additionally, include a professional call to action to encourage engagement. Here is the brief overview of the article. And then simply choose, go here. So from the Perplexity, from the previous one, previous trigger, we go to choices, message, and content, this one. And we are saying, so this is the article that we want to use it as a post, LinkedIn post. Okay. And then again, for the max token, you can just leave it simply in default or just use as previous 1500. Click OK. For the next model, we will use LinkedIn. So click the plus button again and search for LinkedIn and choose the one, create a user text post. Again, go ahead and connect your make.com with your LinkedIn profile. And then for the content, we will use the previous model. So from OpenAI, we will use, go to choices and messages and content. Yeah. So we want the content that OpenAI created for the post. Now we want to use it as a post on LinkedIn. Media type, you can leave it on default. Visibility is public, and we want it as a main feed. Then go ahead and click OK. I also recommend to test each one module separately. So just right click on it and run this model only to see if it's working correctly. As you can see, Google Sheet, yes. You can see what's going on the back end. As you can see, the output article link that we created, it's using correctly. Yes. And then again, for the next model, we just say run this model only. Okay. and it's working fine as well. And you can see here there is some error that it needs to fix, but I will not do it right now. But and then at the end, don't forget to save, because make.com doesn't save automatically, so you have to do it manually always. Do not forget. And that's it. That's the whole automation for LinkedIn post. Now, do not forget that when you want to schedule it, actually to pull the trigger. So for default is every 15 minutes, but you don't want to do that. So I recommend to do it like every day or every other day. Simply click on the time you want, simply choose the time, and then just click OK, and it will daily create a post automatically and post it on LinkedIn. And it will automatically post every day at this hour. If you are someone who wants to learn how to build a phone call assistant with no code, a beginner-friendly tutorial for your business, or maybe to create it for yourself and sell it, I highly recommend watching this video next, where I even break down more in depth how to create an AI assistant. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.